हेलो एवरीवन। आज का टॉपिक है स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट। टुडेज टॉपिक इज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट. Balance of payment has two sides, credit side and debit side. All inflows or sources of foreign exchange are recorded on the credit side of balance of payment account, and all outflows or uses of foreign exchange are entered on the debit side of balance of payment account. A balance of payment is called as a balanced BOP if receipts of foreign exchange is equal to payments of foreign exchange. अगर जितने भी receipts हैं foreign exchange के will be equal to payments of foreign exchange will be called as a balanced BOP. सरप्लस बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट तब कहा जाएगा अगर रिसीप्ट्स ऑफ फॉरेन एक्सचेंज इज ग्रेटर दैन पेमेंट्स ऑफ फॉरेन एक्सचेंज, एंड अ डेफिसिट बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट विल बी इफ रिसीप्ट्स ऑफ फॉरेन एक्सचेंज इज लेस दैन पेमेंट्स ऑफ फॉरेन एक्सचेंज. अब ये तो था बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट. अब बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड क्या होता है? बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड इज ऑल्सो नोन बाय अ डिफरेंट नेम, दैट इज ट्रेड बैलेंस या फिर बैलेंस ऑफ विजिबल ट्रेड. तो बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड BOT refers to difference between amounts of exports and imports of visible items. तो बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट में सर्विसेज भी काउंट होता है, लेकिन बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड में सिर्फ विजिबल आइटम्स इंक्लूड होता है. सो एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ गुड्स माइनस इम्पोर्ट ऑफ गुड्स. वंस अगेन, balance of trade refers to difference between amounts of exports and imports of visible items, only goods, not services. Now exports are entered as credit or positive items in BOP account, while imports are entered as debit items or negative items. BOT is also known as balance of visible trade. Now the difference between BOT and BOP, that is balance of trade and balance of payment. Balance of trade, now meaning it refers to difference between amounts of export and imports of visible items, whereas balance of payment is an accounting statement showing systematic record of all economic transactions between residents of the country and rest of the world in a given period of time. Now, what are the components of balance of trade? It includes only visible items. That means only goods. सिर्फ goods आते हैं यहाँ पे, services नहीं आते हैं. Now, balance of payment includes visible items, invisible items, unilateral transfers and capital transfers. At the end of this topic, I have explained the terms visible items, invisible items and unilateral transfers and capital transfers. मैंने ये सारे terms explain किए हैं after the differences. Then capital transactions. It does not record any transaction of capital nature. That means balance of trade में कोई भी capital nature के transaction नहीं आते. Then balance of payment, it records all transactions of capital nature. Now balance of trade has a narrow concept as it is only a part of balance of payment. तो because balance of payment में both goods and services भी record होते हैं जो export import होते हैं, लेकिन balance of trade में सिर्फ goods आते हैं, only goods. That is why it has a narrow concept, whereas balance of payment is a wider concept as it includes balance of trade. देन सेटलमेंट. बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड का सेटलमेंट कैसे होता है? एन अनफेवरेबल बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड कैन बी मेट आउट ऑफ फेवरेबल बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट, लेकिन अनफेवरेबल बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट कैन नॉट बी मेट आउट ऑफ फेवरेबल बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड. अब मैंने यहाँ जो टर्म्स यूज़ किया था, विजिबल आइटम्स, इनविजिबल आइटम्स, यूनिलैटरल ट्रांसफर्स एंड कैपिटल ट्रांसफर्स, इनका मीनिंग मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर रखा है. विजिबल आइटम्स कौन से होते हैं? फिजिकल गुड्स विच आर एक्सपोर्टेड एंड इम्पोर्टेड. फिजिकल गुड्स विच आर एक्सपोर्टेड एंड इम्पोर्टेड, that means those goods which can be seen, touched and measured. These are the tangible goods. Example, jute, cotton, etc. अब इनविजिबल आइटम्स क्या होते हैं? दे कैन नॉट बी सीन, टच्ड और मेजर्ड. एग्जाम्पल, सर्विसेज like shipping services, banking services, insurance services. These are invisible items. And what are unilateral transfers? These include gifts, personal remittances and other one-way transactions. वन वे ट्रांजैक्शन माने जैसे हम लोग किसी को गिफ्ट देते हैं या पर्सनली कोई भी अमाउंट ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं किसी को हेल्प करने के लिए, तो ये सब यूनिलैटरल ट्रांसफर्स होते हैं, माने वन साइडेड होते हैं. एंड सिंस दीज ट्रांजैक्शन डू नॉट इन्वॉल्व एनी क्लेम फॉर रीपेमेंट, दे आर कॉल्ड एज यूनिलैटरल ट्रांसफर्स. मतलब वी डू नॉट गेट एनीथिंग इन रिटर्न फॉर दीज ट्रांसफर्स. Then what are capital transfers? They relate to capital receipts through borrowing. जैसे हम लोग किसी से कुछ अमाउंट बोरो किए हैं, वो कैपिटल ट्रांसफ़र है. हम लोग नहीं, मतलब when a nation borrows from other nations, those are capital transfers. Then sale of assets and capital payments through capital repayments, payment for loans or purchase of assets. So what are capital transfers? Once again I repeat, they relate to capital receipts through borrowings or sale of assets, and capital payments like through capital repayment, payment for loans or purchase of assets. So ये सब अगर payments involve होता है for purchase of any asset, or suppose we have already borrowed, we are making a payment of that, so that is a capital transfer. Now the rest of the part I have prepared in question answer form which are related to this particular topic, like identify the following items as visible or invisible. Example, like export of jute. Now it is a visible item. Why? Because we can see, feel, touch and measure. We can find out how much quantity of that is exported. So it's a visible item. Then export of software services. It is an invisible item because we cannot see these services. So these were the terms which I have explained. Then now the next question is, name the items that are excluded from BOT but included in BOP. So as I told you that balance of payment includes both goods and services, recording all the goods and services. But in balance of trade, we do not record the services. So it is excluded from BOT. Then when will BOT show a deficit? When imports of visible items are more than export of visible items, BOT will show a deficit. Then when will there be a surplus in BOT account? When export of visible items are more than imports of visible items. Now, if value of exports of a country is rupees 1000 crores and value of imports is rupees 600 crores, what will be the trade balance? Trade balance is the another name of balance of trade or balance of visible trade. These are other names of BOT. So trade balance will be exports minus imports. How much is the exports? 1000 crores and imports 600. So the difference of that will be the trade balance. Exports minus imports, that is 1000 minus 600 is equal to rupees 400 crores. Now calculate value of imports when balance of trade is minus 400 crores and value of exports is rupees 300 crores. So the formula to calculate BOT is exports minus imports. BOT is given in negative minus 400 and exports are 300, whereas imports are imports we have to calculate. So to find out imports, we have to deduct BOT from exports. Exports is 300 and when we bring the BOT minus 400 to the right hand side, so minus, if two minus are multiplied, we get as plus. So 300 plus 400, that is equal to 700 crores. Thank you.